Jai Hind, Ashish.
Jain sir,
How are you?
I'm very fine sir.
So Ashish, congratulations for your recommendation.
Thanks a lot sir.
So how is your day going here?
Sir, my day is going very well and a little bit hectic too, I would say. Like I've been traveling to many government offices, banks and many relatives also.
Okay.
So, but yes, I'm like enjoying this time very much.
So how is the feeling internally? मतलब कैसा लग रहा है अब recommendation? Finally you are recommended.
Sir, I cannot express this feeling in words. But yes, I would say a sense of satisfaction is there. Like the thing for which I worked very hard from a long time has been like fully achieved.
Okay. So आशीष आज हम बात करते हैं कि आपने रिटर्न की प्रिपरेशन कहाँ से की और कैसे की?
Sir, for return, I went to Lead Academy,
Okay.
which was like two reasons for that.
Mhm.
First of all, it was in the vicinity of my area. And second, the teachers there were very friendly and good, I would say. For example, Ritu ma'am, Vaibhav sir, and Sunil Daga sir, who taught us English for Sunil Daga sir, Vaibhav sir maths, and Ritu ma'am for GK. And Vaibhav sir was very nice. He used to give us many like 30, 45 minutes even after the class if we had any doubts. Same goes for Ritu ma'am. She was never tired of explaining things again and again to me, especially because I was a very weird child who used to ask her many doubts. And Sunil Daga sir is a legend in himself. He actually like taught me English very good.
Mhm.
I had a few difficulties in grammar from beginning, but yes, from the help of him, I was able to complete.
Okay. So आशीष आपने ऐसा क्या अलग किया या फिर आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे जो कोई प्रिपेयर कर रहा है उसके लिए रिटर्न में क्या उसको करना चाहिए या फिर क्या जो और बच्चों से हटके उसको मार्क्स स्कोर करने में मदद कर सकता है?
Sir, for written, I would say the one thing is important. You do not have to cover all of the syllabus. You have to cover that 80-20 rule. That 20% of the syllabus gives 80% of the marks. Like I was a little bit weak in maths. I got very low marks in a few first mocks. Later on, I was able to clear the cutoff by a satisfactory gap because I was not good in calculus, so I left it. I focused on some easier chapters, but on the contrary, they were important also, like trigonometry, some other probability, statistics, and sex relations, and especially determinants, etc. So those were able to help. And same goes for GAT. GAT was quite good for me because I was good in studies from beginning. I scored good marks in 10th. So I was through with the physics, chemistry, biology till the 10th level. And English was done with the help of Sunil Daga, so I was able to score good marks in GAT. By this I was able to clear the cutoff. Because like some of my friends even tried to cover all of the syllabus, but they were not revising it. They were not revising the important formulas. They were like just focusing how to cover one more chapter. Because in some books it is given X questions come from this chapter.
Yeah,
So
right.
they were not focusing on core concept.
Mhm.
They're focusing on if I do this chapter, X questions will come. That's it.
ओके राइट, ठीक है. तो जैसे आपने रिवीजन के बारे में बोला, तो रिवीजन का क्या रोल रहता है आपके हिसाब से? हमें ज़्यादा चैप्टर्स कवर करने हैं कि रिवीजन ज़्यादा करनी है?
सर, आई वुड से पहले जो चैप्टर की वेटेज ज़्यादा है वो कवर करो, उसको रिवाइज करते रहो. देन इफ यू हैव सम स्पेयर टाइम देन गो फॉर द एक्स्ट्रा चैप्टर्स. बिकॉज इफ इसके बाद अगर वो करोगे तो मार्क्स सरप्लस में ही जाएंगे, कम नहीं.
ओके. सो आशीष, मॉक टेस्ट का क्या रोल रहता है आपकी प्रिपरेशन? मॉक टेस्ट का क्या कहना चाहोगे?
सर, it have a huge role, I would say. Giving mock test gives me it acts like a mirror कि मैं किस स्टेज पे हूँ. अगर मेरे को लगता है मेरा चैप्टर स्ट्रॉन्ग है, बट मॉक टेस्ट में उसी चैप्टर के 5 फाइलें मैं 2 ही कर पाया, उसका यूज़ किया. उससे मेरे को पता चलता है कि यार इस चैप्टर में ये वाला पोर्शन मेरा वीक था, मैं उसको ही दोबारा पुशअप करता हूँ, देन दोबारा मॉक एग्जाम देता हूँ.
ओके. सो आपने कहाँ अकेडमी में मॉक्स होते थे या फिर आपने ऑनलाइन दिए? कैसे किया आपने मॉक टेस्ट मैनेज?
सर, इन स्टार्टिंग मैं आदत मॉक्स की अकेडमी से ही आया था.
ओके.
पहले मॉक्स देता नहीं था. एवरी संडे वी यूज्ड टू हैव अ मॉक of exact 600 marks for GAT and 300 marks for maths. Later on, when that time was coming for the exam, I used to take online mocks also, which were basically previous year question papers which I found on UPSC website.
राइट. ठीक है. तो मॉक हैज़ अ वेरी ग्रेट इम्पैक्ट ऑन योर मार्क्स, राइट?
Yes sir.
सो नाउ विद ऑल द ट्रिक्स आपने देख लिया है कि कैसे आशीष ने अपना रिटर्न क्लियर किया है. सो नाउ वी वुड मूव फॉरवर्ड ऑन एसएसबी. तो आशीष, एसएसबी जो है वो एक कम्प्लीटली डिफरेंट प्रोसीजर है और चीज़ों को देखते हैं या फिर और इंटरव्यूज जो हमारी कंट्री में होते हैं एसएसबी इज़ कम्प्लीटली डिफरेंट फ्रॉम दैट। सो आपने एसएसबी के लिए कहीं से प्रिपेयर किया है या फिर किसी ने आपको गाइड किया है, कैसा रहा आपका एसएसबी के लिए प्रिपरेशन का?
Sir, first of all, I would say SSB is a very beautiful process because it takes ample amount of time, 5 days. It's like I think it's sufficient to judge a person's personality, which they do in a great manner.
राइट।
It's just because how we perceive things, how we react to certain situations, and how quickly we make a decision, and how we stand upon it. That's it. For SSB also, I went to Lead Academy. Like here, I would say major impact goes of Sunil Dagaso. He is a retired major and an ex-OT. So he knew what are the qualities they are seeking for,
Right.
especially for army, because he has been from army background. He had led many troops into the field area also. So he often took our PD classes, personality development classes,
ओके।
in which he gave us like personal analysis. Like I would say earlier when I was not thorough in English speaking, he used to help me.
ओके।
And certain times when I was preparing for this essay, SRT, WETs,
Right.
here also he taught me that there are no certain rules for it. You just have to write what to think.
राइट।
If the word is fire, then I think some emergency is there. So write something which can prevent the emergency. That's it.
राइट।
Ki we can use that fire extinguisher
ओके।
for the fire.
अच्छा,
So
ठीक है।
such things are there.
हाँ हाँ।
And also for the GTO, he was very helpful in it. Like earlier when I was going for GTO, I couldn't get more amount of ideas to pass through certain obstacles. Certainly for those which are moving. Like in my SSB also, I got the structure which was moving. It had like star-like structure, like this, and this.
ओके।
So and eventually it was in our coaching also.
अच्छा।
Yes sir.
सो यू ऑलरेडी प्रैक्टिस दैट, तो वो तो आपको आता ही था, तो
Yes,
इट
sir,
वाज जस्ट अ
definitely.
पीस ऑफ केक फॉर यू टू क्रॉस।
Especially in the command task force.
ओके। सो आशीष, कुछ ऐसा जो आपने फील किया हो कि एसएसबी में दिस थिंग रियली हेल्प मी अ लॉट, चाहे वो स्पीकिंग स्किल्स हो या फिर आपकी राइटिंग स्पीड इवन, क्योंकि बहुत से बच्चे कहते हैं कि दो साइकोलॉजी में वो अपना पूरा नहीं कर पाते हैं या फिर कोई सीक्वेंस में गलत हो जाता है या फिर कुछ ऐसी चीज़ जो 5 दिन में आपके लिए आपको लगा कि दिस हैड अ ग्रेट इम्पैक्ट ऑन माई GTO प्रोसेस।
Sir, on GTO, sir, first of all, I would say writing speed. I would say my writing is not very good, but yes, it's understandable. And I had some enough writing speed to complete all of that group planning exercise and other things.
Okay.
Like for example, even in the psych, I attempted 60 SRTs, all of them.
ओके, यू अटेम्प्टेड ऑल द SRTs?
Yes, sir.
वाओ, दैट्स
And
ग्रेट।
all of the psych I was done with.
ओके।
And after it, I went 2 minutes for the phone की थोड़ा क्या बचा है उसको बाद देख लेता हूँ, अगर कुछ स्किप हो गया तो उसको लिख देता हूँ. So this was the thing. And secondly, communication skills was the best thing. In my interview also it was very useful. And thirdly, sir, presence of mind is the core
Right.
concept here.
ओके। सो कुछ ऐसा इंटरव्यू में फनी इंसिडेंट या फिर कुछ ऐसा हुआ जो आपके इंटरव्यू ने आपसे पूछा और यू वर कि यार ये कहाँ फंसा दिया है?
Yes, sir, there were a few instances.
हाँ हाँ।
Like I had been to coaching one lead academy, but my school was in Delhi.
ओके।
And for this, the interviewing officer asked, he compare the two cities, Sonipat and Delhi.
अच्छा, ओके।
So he asked many counter questions. Ki what's better in Delhi, what's better in Sonipat. So actually he asked it, what thing is better in Sonipat than Delhi? Because Delhi is the national capital of India.
Right.
And it has all the basic amenities like metro, transportation, everything. Then I got a point that Sonipat has clean air at that time. So
Oh, that you played with mind. That's great. Yeah.
yes, sir. So it was kind of a jolly environment.
हाँ हाँ हाँ। ओके। सो हाउ लॉन्ग डिड योर कॉन्फ्रेंस गो? कॉन्फ्रेंस में कुछ क्वेश्चन पूछे या फिर कितनी लंबी चली कॉन्फ्रेंस?
Yes, sir. I would say conference was quite long.
अच्छा, ओके।
Although before conference I was very confident कि I'll definitely make it. But this certain kind of pressure is built. But then I remembered Sunil Daga's words कि conference is just they are discussing like it is not कि हमेशा तुम्हारे बारे में discuss करेंगे. They might be having a tea break. They might be going to washroom.
Yeah, that is the thing even I remember about.
Yes, sir. So I had a waiting time 15 minutes.
Uh-huh.
And then my conference went for 10 minutes.
Okay.
So it was basically how was the feel, how many friends you made, and like he compared my performance with my friend's performance.
Acha, he asked you to compare it with them.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
And later on, such things were asked, like some SRTs were given, Like you have 50 lakh rupees and 48 hours, how would you spend it? And when I was answering, he was like putting pressure upon me. He 5 hours are left, 4 hours are left. Speak fast, speak
अच्छा,
fast.
this was happening in your conference?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so ये एक sort of interview हो गया 10-15 मिनट
हाँ,
या
हाँ,
से।
maybe.
ठीक है, right. So अब आशीष got recommended from, you got recommended from which board, आशीष?
Sir, 21 SSB Bhopal.
Okay, so आशीष got recommended from 21 SSB भोपाल। अब आशीष, आफ्टर रिकमेंडेशन क्या होता है? वो जो फीलिंग होती है ऑब्वियसली वो तो आप कंट्रोल नहीं कर पाते हो,
Yes, sir.
बट फिर उसके बाद आप लोग क्या तो वहाँ करते हो? मेडिकल्स में क्या हुआ, कुछ उसके बारे में बताओ।
Yes, sir. The medicals were was my favorite time of SSB, and I must say it because after it, everyone is in high energy and josh,
Exactly.
and even in our medical conference, those who were fit, and I was among them. So he said, "Welcome to forces."
Oh my god.
So that's the best thing.
So you from there only started like, yes, now we are being treated like officers.
But they didn't forget to remember us that we have a long training to go. Then we will have stars on our shoulders.
Right. So Ashish, when are you going to join and where are you going to join? Please let our viewers know this.
So I'll be joining Indian Naval Academy on 19th of July.
अभी आपने बताया कि काफ़ी क्लोज कॉल रहा है और यू वुड से कि काफ़ी दिन वेट किया है और बहुत शॉर्ट नोटिस पे आपको पता चला है ज्वाइनिंग लेटर भी, कुछ उसके बारे में बताइए, कितना शॉर्ट नोटिस पता चला आपको?
Yes, sir. Like I actually got 2-3 days in between, and in those days I have to do all of documentation, all of the packing and other stuff. You know that after getting the jail joining letter, I have to go to many relatives as well, and to school and to my teachers, which is the most important thing I would say.
Right, obviously.
And definitely the energy इतनी होती है कि उस थकान महसूस होती नहीं है.
वो जोश जो है वो यहीं से स्टार्ट हो जाता है. यू स्टार्ट फीलिंग दैट एकेडमी जोश फ्रॉम हियर ओनली, राइट?
Yes.
कुछ एसएसबी से अपने फनी इंसिडेंट्स के बारे में अगर आप बताना चाहें तो इट वुड बी ग्रेट.
Yes, I would say it's very hard to pick. There are a lot. Like starting, like before recommendation, especially the GOR, group obstacle race. Some people were full of high josh and energy, and in this they choose some very long slogans, like very long, 2-3 lines. Then, like in Jiddo interrupted them to pick a short, crisp. Then they chose change the part.
अच्छा.
Especially Sainik school ones, they are crazy.
They always do something different from everyone.
Then at last our group chose Mushkilabat Commando Sakt. And yes, some people are there that कि जब जो 12 फीट टॉलेस्ट पे चढ़ना है, मैं तो आखिरी में रहूँगा, मैं सबको सपोर्ट करूँगा. आखिरी में उसकी पीठ में दर्द हुआ और रात को मेडिकल ऑफिस में मिला हमें. Then sir later on after medical, yes, some crazy people were getting recommended, and I would say they were very lively and very high of energy, and a bit mischievous also. Like when medical conference was happening, one of my friend picked up the pebbles from the table of the medical officer.
Oh my god. So you went for conference and they are picking pebbles there.
And when I asked them, they are saying it's souvenir. Simple.
So they picked the Bhopal souvenirs from there. Oh my god.
And sir, one crazy task we did that while we got recommended, and we had ample amount of time. So one night around 2:35 it was in the AM. We like हम अपनी लाइन से निकले, हमारे 21 था, हम 22 में गए. 21 ऐसे 22 ऐसे.
Okay.
22 में गए. उनका घड़ी चलती नहीं है भोपाल में. लाइक पता नहीं हमारे टाइम पे चल रही नहीं होगी.
Okay.
तो उनकी हम वैसे ही थे. हमारे पास एक दो स्कूल दो थे, वो आर्मी ब्रेक थे, उनके पास आर्मी टोपी वगैरह थी, बहुत डाली उन्होंने. 2 बंदे गए थे, अलमारी पे ठक ठक करके आते हैं, यस यू गड़प गड़प साहब आ रहे कह रहा लड़ी तुम्हारा जीत दो, 6 बज गए, कब जाओगे? रात उनको नहला के भगाया है ग्राउंड में, जा चक्कर मार के.
Oh my god. तो ये आप रात को 2:30 बजे वहाँ पे you are doing this also. So yes, SSB अपने आप में 5 दिन is literally a great experience.
Yes sir.
Recommendation is a different thing after
Yes,
that. But yes, it is very different. It was really great interacting with you, Ashish. Any tips or tricks जो आप बताना चाहोगे या फिर कंक्लूड करते हैं कि कुछ ऐसा जो आपको पूरे प्रोसेस में बहुत हेल्प किया हो, चाहे वो आपके मेंटर्स हों, चाहे वो आपकी कुछ ऐसी लाइक यू टोल्ड अबाउट 80-20 रूल, वो भी एक बहुत अच्छी चीज़ है जो प्रिपेयर करा है उसके लिए. कुछ ऐसे ही टिप्स जो जो आपके फ्रेंड्स या फिर आपके जूनियर्स प्रिपेयर कर रहे हैं उनको देना चाहेंगे?
Yes sir. Like while preparing for SSB, I asked one question to Dagar sir.
Mhm.
That everyone prepares for SSB to the maximum potential they have.
Right.
Like many people have good English also,
Mhm.
but still a few are able to make it. What's the reason? So he gave me a very beautiful answer. Yet SSB doesn't check like what task have you done. It checks the motive behind it.
Okay.
Like in PGT, if I'm helping the group, am I helping the group with an idea कि मैं G2 की आंखों में आ जाऊंगा, या मैं अपने ग्रुप को हेल्प करने की नीयत से हेल्प कर रहा हूँ? That's the thing.
Okay. So for the sake of doing you have मतलब कि किसी की आंखों में हाईलाइट या फिर किसको दिखा के नहीं करना है. It's your intention that matters, right?
Yes sir.
That's great, Ashish. Thank you for your time, Ashish. So we would be meeting you after your term breaks now.
Yes sir.
Have a great journey ahead. Thank you so much.